I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Okay, so my son-in-law was able to bring me my Delta portable table saw down, and I spent yesterday checking everything out, making sure the blade was square and plumb and true, the miter slot to the tabletop, the fence is good, the gauge on the fence is good, everything's great except for right here I broke the handle off this part that locks the fence in place. So I'm going to make a new one of those. I was just going to take this off. It's got a jam nut and a screw, and then take this piece of round stock, drill a hole all the way through and then large enough for this bolt to go through it, put it in there, tighten down the jam nut. But I don't have any drill bit big enough for the hole because I'm not in my own shop. So what I'm going to do is use these two pieces of wood, and I'm going to carve out the end for the screw, glue them together, cut it off and shape it, and use that for the handle. So let's get started. First we just take off the jam nut, remove this screw, take the nut off, and I'll just trace it out on these two boards. Okay, first step after drawing it out on the pieces here, will be drilling the hole in the end. I've got it clamped in this really horrible bench vise that came with the house, but that's all we got, so we'll have to use it. Okay, we've got it drilled out well enough to get the bolt in there. That should be fine. Now I'm going to carve out a little spot for the head to fit into it. Okay, got it carved out. It's pretty rough, but it will work. Now I'm just going to glue both sides together. Okay, it's been sitting here for about 3 hours or 4 hours, so I'm hoping it's glued by now. I'm going to use a chisel to scrape away some of this extra glue, and then I'm going to use files to shape this into a rounded handle shape, and then I'll cut it off with a saw. Okay, got it all sanded down, good enough for me, I guess. Last step is to put the nut back on, and then put it back in the there we go, and then just tighten this nut down. And there we go. Nice new handle. Works good. That should do it. Thanks for watching.